Good morning, good morning, good morning. Bangon na mga kiguahers kay buntag na. So ayan mga kiguahers, lalabas kami today, mag-grocery at saka kakain sa labas.
And snow.
Snow, not yet snow, just cold. Maybe we can go to Hokkaido. Do you want to go to Hokkaido?
No, I want snow.
You want to snow? Hokkaido has a lot of snow.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Who knows time to go?
Where's Papa?
Papa, come here. Come here, Papa. Let's go to
Where's
car.
Mommy's bag? Can you find Mommy's bag?
Okay.
So, samahan nyo kami for today's video. So, November na. So, autumn na talaga sa amin mga kiguahers. Malamig na. So, ayan. Let's go. Oh, did you find it? So, ayan.
Yeah, but it's you.
Sachan, Mommy's slipper.
Mommy shoes.
Decoration na Sachan. Let's go.
Big.
Let's go. Wow. Honey, I really like this smell. I remember. Kapag autumn na dito mga kiguahers, meron ditong plants mga kiguahers na napaka yung smell, yung para siyang perfume. So, yan yung autumn plants mga kiguahers. Kapag namumunga yan, nagbulaklak, grabe yung amoy. Perfume talaga mga kiguahers. Yan, let's go. Let's go. Okay, go inside the car. Nandito na kami sa restaurant mga kiguahers. Kain muna kami. Go down. Be careful. Ah, it's wet, me. Honey. Kain muna kami dito. Kochi desu. Kochi desu. Oide, oide. Hairimasu. Let's go. O, diba? Ayan yung kanilang pagkuan. Let's go. Oide. Oh, where's Papa? Where's Papa? Let's go, Papa. Let's go. Yeah. Sumitay. Be careful, be careful. What you gonna order, Sarah-chan? Sarah-chan, what you gonna order? In my case, chahan honey. Soup. What you gonna? Just it correct. Yakisoba? Do you want the yakisoba?
Yes.
Okay, yakisoba, Papa. The small one.
No small.
Then,
Simasen.
water, do you want my tissue? Want my tissue?
Yeah.
Want my tissue?
They also do.
Okay.
Get the water.
How about you?
Get the water.
Grabe ang init dito mga kiguahers siguro sa aking damit.
Wait.
Malamig man kanina, pero mainit siya.
What?
Nag-heater sila dito. Okay? It's really hot, Sarah-chan. You pick it up. What's the sound?
Snake.
Is that snake?
Yes.
Is that snake?
Mama.
So, nagawa ko ng gyoza sauce, mga kiguahers. Ayan. Mas. Ayan mga kigwars yung yakisoba.
焼きそば来ました。
Ay, dosa.
What's your finger?
Yung aming order mga kigwars dumating na. Yung aming ganap for today mga kigwas, pupunta kami ng supermarket para bibili na naman ng aming mga kakailangan sa 1 week, isang linggong pagkain. Ayan. Tatsi sama dista. Bayad na kami mga kigwas. Sarachan. Plus papa sarachan. Dali na. Arigato gozaimasu. Sarah, let's go. Ano to? One. So let's go to the farm. Oh, kimochi honey. Kimochi. So, andito na kami sa parking ng supermarket. Okay, sakay muna kami ng elevator. Push! Push! Yeah? Ah, okay. Ay, arigato.
How is that? What's your meal? A doggy.
Ini. Supermarket na kami mga kigwahers. Papa? Okay, Papa will put the 2 basket. Ayan. Okay, let's go. You hold the basket. Silang pears dito mga kigwars. Mahal lang. Watch out. Let's buy orange. Kochi ne? Sarah. Sarah, kochi. Bilhin natin to kasi 50% off mga kigwars. Ayan. Hi, arigato. Hi, arigato. Do you want that one?
My car.
It's a corn.
Let's buy my car.
Not that one. Slowly, 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 slowly.
こっち、はい、ありがとう、かやちゃん。
Ooh, too many.
Hi. Ani, mas, kochi, kochi, mas. Hi. Only one. Let's buy onion.
I
Ito yung supermarket dito sa aming area mga kigwahers. Ayan.
Surprise!
Surprise! So, mushroom, okay? Ayan. Bili ako ng ito. Dalawa. Ayan. So, grocery muna kami.
ちくわ
Hi. Ayan, bili ako nito. So, we gonna get the... Kuha muna kami ng pang ano sa onigiri ng asawa ko mga kigwahers. Where is it? Okay. Naantok ng sarachan. Magbabayad na kami mga kigwahers. Is it scary?
Touch.
Touch!
Kelly, touch.
さやちゃん、タッチは
Touch!
Hi.
はい、サラも。お、はい、
Ulit tayo.
It's a pumpkin.
So, ayan, pauwi na kami ng bahay mga kigwahers. Tapos na kami mag-grocery.
Where's this?
It's a... there's also the... Look at the Halloween light, honey.
あ
They put design also.
What's this?
What's that?
What is this?
Yes, yes. Andito na kami sa bahay, mga kigwahers, kakarating lang. So, ayan, ito na yung aming napamili doon sa supermarket. Ayan, ito pa. Tapos, bumili kami ng mga vegetable, mga kigwahers. Ayan. So, bumili ako ng cereal, bread, and another bread. Tapos, 2 packs of ganito na vegetable, mga kigwahers. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan nito. Tapos yung nuggets. And yung mushroom. Tapos ito salad chicken. And egg. And yung yakisoba noodle. Tapos pangsahog ko nito. Ayan. Tapos yung shiraso. And kiwi. Tapos yung mga chicken na to, mga kigwahers, ayan. And orange, banana, tapos yung carrots, at saka yung ito, mga kigwahers, yung para sa onigiri. I-try ko to kasi para siyang masarap. So, i-try natin to, mga kigwahers. First time natin tong makain dito sa Japan kasi yung aming binibili is Royal yung brand. So, try natin to. Yamazaki, brand to ng Yamazaki. Tapos yung Yamazaki is maker ng bread, mga kigwahers. So, i-try natin to. So, kuha tayo ng isa. Ayan. Very soft daw. Double softness niya to. Yeah, let's try. Sarap yan. Do you want to try? Ayan. So, try natin to, mga kigwahers. Tarakimasu.
Let's go back. What was my balloon?
Masarap siya.
It's so squishy.
Squishy.
It's so stretchy.
Oh, stretchy. Squishy.
Put in. Orange. A red button.
Di kaya, Sar. Di kaya.
Mommy.
What did you say?
Sorry, mommy.
Hi, it's okay.
I'll try again, please.
Okay. Huh?
Look, a balloon.
Di kaya, Sar. Di. Thank you sa pagsama sa amin today. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta always at magtangkilik sa amin. Arigato gozaimasu. So, sa wala pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, hit notification bell para updated kayo sa aking next video na i-upload. Arigato gozaimasu. Oyasumi nasai. Good night.
Good night.